Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2D, that is about the solution of simultaneous linear equations through graphical method. In this lesson, I will solve question number 1, basic level. Question says solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. Before going to the lesson, I just want to ask you that before attempting these questions, you should have the command on the terms that what is the meaning of word solution and how to solve the simultaneous equations and how to plot the straight line on the graph paper and the method of plotting of straight line. If you find any difficulty in understanding the method of plotting a straight line, you can watch my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's move to the C part of the question, that is 3x minus 2y equals to 7 and 2x plus 3y equals to 9. Let's take line 1 and let's solve that line and make the table values for that. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to make y the subject of formula, and in order to make y the subject of formula, what I have to do, I have to shift this 3x to other side by changing the sign, and the equation will take the form 7 minus 3x, and now I have to divide this minus 2 to other side, and equation will take the form y equals to 7 minus 3x by minus 2. Now I have to apply this minus sign on the numerator, and equation will take the form y equals to 3x minus 7 by 2. Now in order to plot the graph, I have to take certain values of x and I have to put those values of x in the given equation, and I have to get the values of y. Suppose when I'm putting x value 0 here, my y value will be minus 7 by 2, and minus 7 by 2 is minus 3.5. So my first value will be minus 3.5. Y equals to 3x minus 7 by 2, and I'm replacing x0 here, and my answer is minus 3.5. When I'm keeping my x value 1 over here, 3 into minus 1 minus 7 upon 2, and this will give me minus 3 minus 7 over 2, and which is equal to minus 10 by minus 10 by 2, which is equal to minus 5. When x is 1, y is minus 5, so my point will be coming at this place. And when x is minus 1, y is minus 5, sorry, at this place. And when x is 1, y will be y equals to 3 into 1 minus 7 upon 2. That will give me 3 minus 7 upon 2, that is minus 4 by minus 4 by 2, and which is equal to minus 2. So this value will be minus 2. Now what I have to do, I have to plot these points on the graph paper carefully. When x is 0, y is minus 3.5. So first point will be coming at this place. When x is 1, I have to reach at x equals to 1 and y is minus 2. The second point will be coming at this place. When x is minus 1, x minus 1 is towards the left hand side. So after reaching at x is equal to minus 1, I have to move downward in front of minus 5. This is x equals to minus 5, and now I have to join these points with the help of ruler and pencil and draw the line. 3 points are enough for the drawing of line, so please be careful. First of all, I'll draw the line with the help of pencil, and then I will be making the line perfect. Let me draw the line once again because it's not touching all the points properly. Let me draw the line once again for you people, because the line has to pass through all of the points. So the line will take the form like this, because it has to pass through all of the points. This is the line. Okay, now let me move to the second line, and that is 2x plus 3y equals to 9. Again, what I have to do, I have to make y the subject of formula, and when I will be making y the subject of formula, my equation will take the form 3y equals to 9 minus 2x, or y equals to 9 minus 2x by 3. Now, in order to plot this line, I have to put the values of x one by one in this equation. When I'm making x 0, when I will be multiplying this 2 by 0, this factor will become 0, and I will left with 9 by 3, and which is equal to 3. When I'm replacing x by positive 1, y equals to 9 minus 2x by 3. When I'm replacing x by positive 1, that will give me 9 minus 2 by 3, and which is equal to 7 by 3, and 7 by 3 for the plotting purpose, 3 2s are 6 and 1 2.3. 2.3, so it will be around 2.3, and when I'm replacing x minus 1 here, that will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 will give me positive 1. Positive 1 plus 9 will be 11 by 3, and 11 by 3 will give me 3 3s are 9, and I'm left with 2, and then 3 6 are 18, 3.666, or around 3.7. 3.7. Now what I have to do, I have to mark these 3 points on the line. The first point is 0 with 3, so that point will be coming at this place. 1 with 2.3, so first of all I have to reach at 1, and then I have to move upward. 2.3, so this will be 2.1, 2.2, and this is 2.3, 2.3, and then minus 1, and y is 3.7. Minus 1, this is x minus 1, and 3.7 over here. Now let me pass the line from these 3 points, and join these 3 points nicely with the help of ruler. Okay, and this is the equation of line. And now, as the question says that I have to find the solution through graphical method, so I have to see at what point both the lines are cutting or meeting each other. If you look at the graph carefully, we can see that this is the place where both the lines are cutting or meeting each other. So the point of intersection or the solution for this line is 3 and 1. Now let me make my lines perfect for you people and draw it with the help of colored pen, so that they become prominent for you people. This is the equation for line for 3x minus 2y equals to 7, and this is the line for the second equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 9. And now if we look at the graph, this is the place where both the lines are cutting, meeting each other. So the solution for this situation will be, that is 3 and 1. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. The next question is 3x plus 2y equals to 4 and 5x plus y equals to 2. Let's solve each equation one by one, make the table values for x and y, and plot the equations. When I'm taking the line 1, that is 3x plus 2y equals to 4. 3x plus 2y equals to 4. What I have to do, I have to make y the subject of formula. In order to make y the subject of formula, I have to shift extra term 4 minus 3x, and then this 2 is multiplied by y, so it will take the form y equals to 4 minus 3x by 2. After making y the subject of formula, I have to go for the completion of the table values. I have taken 3 values of x, minus 1, 0 and 1. I will be one by one putting these values of x in this equation, and I will be writing that what is the corresponding value of y. Like when I'm taking the equation y equals to 4 minus 3x by 2, when I'm putting x 0, when x is 0, y will take the form 4, 3 times 0 is 0, 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. So for 0, the y value is 2. For 1, when I'm taking y value 1, this is 4. And when I'm writing x by 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 divided by 2, and which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. This is 1 by 2. And then y, okay, then y equals to 4 minus 3x. When I will replace x by minus 1 here, minus 3 minus 1 upon 2, minus multiplied by minus is plus, and it will take the form 4 plus 3, 7 over 2, 7 over 2, and which is equal to 3.5, 3.5. So this will be 3.5. Okay, now let's move to the second equation and first make the table, complete the table values, and then we'll be going for the plotting of both the lines. So make y the subject of formula from the second equation as well, y equals to 2 minus 5x. Now let's go for the completion of the table values. When I'm replacing x by 0, y will be 2. When x is 1, 2 minus 5 will give me minus 3. When x is minus 1, minus multiplied by minus will become positive. This will become 2 plus 5, which is 7. Now let's move to the plotting of these lines. First of all, I'll plot line 1. Here we have the x value 0 and y is 2. So first point will be coming at this place, 0 with 2. And when x is 1, y is 0.5. So my point will be coming at this place. And when x is minus 1, so x is minus 1 here. And y is 3.5. So the point will be marked at this place. And now draw the line that has to pass through these 3 points carefully. Okay, and let me draw the line and label the line as well. This is the line for 3x plus 2y equals to 4. Now let's move to the plotting of second line. Okay, if we look at the table, when x is 0, y is 2. So first point will be coming for the second line again at this place. When x is 1, y is minus 3, 1 with minus 3. So the point will be coming at this place. And the third point, when x is minus 1, y is 7. So first of all, reach at minus 1 and then move upwards 7 units. And the point will be marked at this place. Now join these 3 points with the help of ruler, and we have to be careful about the drawing of line. Pass the line carefully, and see at what point both the lines are cutting or meeting each other, 0 and 2. Even if we look at the table values, 0 and 2 is the common point. So the solution for this situation will be 0 and 2, x value is 0 and y value is 2. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.